All are most. I have only one in velocity part and other like 10 doubts in only phase difference part.
Okay.
Next is two particles are executing simple harmonic motion of same amplitude and frequency along the x-axis.
This is some number.
This is errorless sum number 4. Same amplitude A and frequency omega along x-axis. Their mean position is separated by a distance x naught where x naught is greater than A. If the maximum separation between them is x naught plus A, the phase difference between their motion.
Okay. This I will do at the end. This is lengthy sum.
Okay.
No problem. I will do it, but at the end I am doing.
Okay, sir.
Because ये cosine सब पूरा आपको clear होना चाहिए तो time लगता है. Next sum. This is the only bit lengthy sum. Rest all are.
Okay, sir. Then the equation of simple harmonic wave is given by y equals 6 sine 2 pi in brackets 2t minus 0.1x, where x and y are in millimeters and t is in second. The phase difference between two particles 2 millimeter apart at any instant is what?
Phase difference 2 millimeter apart is what?
Hmm.
See, whenever equation given, no, first step you have to compare.
Hmm.
So if I compare this with a sine 2 pi kept inside a sine omega t minus kx. Always t ka coefficient is omega, x ka coefficient is k is 2 pi by lambda, which is called propagation constant, and sine coefficient is a. So a is 6 millimeter. Omega will be 2 into 2t, that is 4 pi radian per second. K equals to 0.1. Phase difference formula is 2 pi x upon lambda. This 2 pi by lambda is called k. How much is that? 0.1. No? Into x is 2 millimeter.
2 millimeter.
So it is 0.2 radian. Option is in degree or in radian?
Degree, in degree.
So if it is degree, then you will multiply with 180 upon pi. 180 into 0.2 will become 9. No, sorry, 36. 18 twos are 36 upon pi.
36.
Upon pi. So option is in pi format or they have
No, in degree.
Degree correct, but 36 upon pi.
No, like proper numbers.
So pi is nearly 3. So it will come somewhere less than 12.
The options are 54, 72, 18 and 36.
18 and 36. Again read the question.
The equation of a simple harmonic wave is given by y equals 6 sine 2 pi in bracket 2t minus 0.1x, where x and y are in millimeters and t
Okay. I got it. Oh, x मैंने बराबर लिया था. This is y sine 2 pi goes inside 4 pi t minus 0.2 pi x. So comparing with a sine omega t minus x lambda, we get lambda equals to 0.2 pi. No? 2 pi kx होता है formula kx k equals to this. So 2 pi by lambda is 0.2 pi. Therefore lambda will be 2 upon 0.2. Therefore lambda is 20 upon 2, that is 10. Okay.
So what was k formula?
K is called propagation constant, 2 pi by lambda. You can leave like k only. बिकॉज एनी हाउ डेल्टा में देखो ये आने वाला 2 पाई एक्स अपॉन लैम्डा ना, तो के एक्स याद रखो इसको डेल्टा में. What is k? 0.2 pi.
Yeah.
And actually this part is from simple harmonic progressive wave.
Okay.
That chapter is called wave motion. So 0.2 pi, x is 2 millimeter, that is 0.4 pi. So 0.4 pi into 180 upon pi, answer is 72.
72.
Yes, 72. Actually it is not from oscillation because most of the book they carry waves and oscillation together.
Okay.
So it is actually of wave motion. Where you will study that wave motion is a sine omega t plus or minus kx, where k is called propagation constant denoted by 2 pi by lambda.
Okay. Done, sir. Then a simple harmonic oscillator oscillates with an amplitude A. At what point of its motion is the power delivered to it by the restoring force maximum? Like it's a theoretical question.
Power
So,
delivered is maximum. Power delivered will be maximum at what restoring force? Huh? Power is work upon time.
They are saying at what point of its motion is the power delivered to it by the restoring force maximum. Yeah.
At what point power is maximum? At mean. What is the answer?
Answer is when it is at a displacement plus or minus a by root 2 from the equilibrium point and moving towards the equilibrium point. They have given 4 options. Should I read them?
What you are saying? What you are saying? They have given?
They have given 4 options. One is when it is at maximum displacement. Then second is when it passes through the equilibrium point either way. Third is when it is at a displacement plus or minus a by root 2 from the equilibrium point and moving towards the equilibrium point. And fourth is when it is at displacement a by root 2 from equilibrium point but moving away from the equilibrium point.
Power delivered is maximum. Power delivered will be maximum. Will be what? Power is work upon time or rate of doing work. So P dt is integral of dw. Power delivered will be maximum. Force into velocity. Power delivered maximum. That means force into velocity is maximum. Force into velocity maximum. So derivative of Fp, the power maximum. At what distance they are given?
Yes, sir.
Power is work upon time. Force into displacement upon dt. Is it equilibrium? I can answer.
1 minute. No, sir. It's when it is at a displacement a by root 2 from equilibrium point and moving towards the equilibrium point.
At x equals to a by root 2, that means here potential energy same as kinetic energy वाला case है ना? Because then half m omega square a square will be half m omega square a square minus x square. This will be cancelled. You will get a square equal to a square minus x square. X square. So 2x square equal to a square. X will be a by root 2. So potential becomes same as kinetic. If potential becomes same as kinetic, they want power to be zero. Power is work upon time. Work is energy. So energy should be in terms of x, it is half omega square power maximum. And moving away there, given or towards
Moving
me.
towards the equilibrium point.
So towards, because force into velocity will become maximum. Na? Velocity will be maximum when it is at mean. तो इसलिए towards वाला दिया है. Why it is maximum? Power formula is rate of doing work.
Their restoring force and velocity will be in the same direction. That's why.
No. Velocity is maximum at the mean, na?
Yeah. And force will be towards mean. No?
Force is always towards me. Force is always towards me. No, I'm thinking of derivative because if power is maximum, at what distance? So derivative of power with respect to distance should be zero, no?
For power to be maximum.
Anything to be maximum or minimum, this should be zero, no?
Yeah. Correct.
So work done, if you take work done का derivative zero चाहिए. Now work done is energy. Energy is half m omega square a square plus half m omega square a square minus x square at any instant. इसका derivative ले लेते हैं. So it will become, this will become zero और इसका derivative will be half m omega square a square constant half m omega square x square. So this constant will become zero. This derivative will become 2x. X is 2. A square minus x square should be 0. They have solved this or just given x equal to value 2?
One.
Just check.
So they have not. They have not given the answer for this. Like after 6, they have directly given 8. No,
let me check that.
Okay.
This was some number?
7.
Okay. Take it. Next one.
Then out of the following functions representing motion of a particle, which represents SHM, and they have given 4 conditions. First is y equals sine omega t minus cos omega t.
This is not an SHM because there are 2 variables. This is simple harmonic progressive wave.
Then second is y equals sine cube omega t.
Sine cube.
Then third is y equals 5 cos in bracket 3 pi upon 4 minus 3 omega t.
3 pi then bracket.
Cos, after cos there is a bracket.
3 pi upon?
3 pi upon 4 minus 3 omega t.
This way?
Yeah. And fourth is y equals 1 plus omega t plus omega square t square.
Y equals to?
1 plus omega t omega square t square.
This is not an SHM because SHM requires sine cos. This is not an SHM because there is x and t, two variable. This is SHM. Third one.
Third one. The answer, one second. Answer is 1 and 3.
This is omega t minus 4x. No, 3 is
Not
perfect.
4x. Sine omega t minus cos omega t. That is first one.
Okay. 4x. This is for perfect. Sine omega t, cos omega t is always in 2 SHM का combination है. So it is SHM. See, whenever you have single sine, single cos, or sine cos with plus minus in between, then it is SHM.
Okay.
So this is actually composition of 2 SHM.
I didn't understand how that was. Yeah, the 5 cos 1 is SHM.
What is SHM first?
A sine omega t plus theta.
No. If acceleration is proportional to minus x, then SHM.
Yeah.
Which we derived and we got it is of this type, or it can be of this type, or it can be of this type. है ना? तो साइन के जगह पे cos होगा तो वही टाइप है ना जो फोर्थ बताया होगा. Because delta is called phase angle. So single sine SHM, single cos SHM. इधर अंदर प्लस माइनस से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That is initial phase आगे पीछे है ना. तो इसलिए वो SHM. So if you don't go by this method, then you have to take 2 times derivative. And suppose you can prove A is proportional to minus x, then you will say SHM.
Okay.
और sin चलेगा, cos चलेगा, sin plus cos चलेगा, angle something plus something चलेगा ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इससे क्या होने वाला है. If it is sin omega t इधर से स्टार्ट होता है ना, मीन से. Okay. प्लस कुछ तो इधर से स्टार्ट हो गया. अभी cos वाला है मतलब इधर से स्टार्ट हुआ रहेगा. जैसा.
Okay.
Next one.
Then there's a diagram. Shall I send picture?
Send. This is which year का errorless? 2020?
No, this is 2017.
नहीं just send the picture, or if you can tell me how it is.
There is one block in the middle, which is called A. It has mass 1.2 m. It is pulled on both sides by a pulley system, and 2 masses of m and m are attached.
This way?
Huh.
This way it is?
Yeah.
Further?
And they are asking, in the figure, the vertical sections of the string are long. A is released from rest position. Then what will happen? A is 1.2 m, and both the 2 blocks are m and m. So options are: the system will remain in equilibrium, the central block will move down continuously, the central block will undergo SHM, and central block will undergo periodic motion but not SHM.
So, but first 2 lines just
they'll remain in equilibrium. First line.
First line. Start of the song.
In the figure, the vertical sections of the string are long.
Vertical section of strings are long.
Long, yeah.
LONG,
yeah. A is released from rest. Then what happens?
Vertical section are long.
Yeah.
Vertical section are long का क्या meaning? Vertical section are long. Vertical section are long. अभी देखो ये vertical section are long मतलब क्या हो गया? ऐसा रहेगा शायद ना? ऐसा कट कर दिया. नहीं तो horizontal section हो गया. And option क्या बोला है? The second paper?
The system will remain in equilibrium. The block will move down continuously. Then central block will undergo SHM and central block will undergo periodic motion but not SHM.
I think the word long is wrong somewhere.
Do they mean the strings that are attached to M are long? Something like that.
The vertical section or long means section is cutting, na?
Hmm.
So they should have given this vertical strings are cut, then only it can move. Now here so it is same mass,
In
so it will not move.
equilibrium only, no?
But when you cut, it will not be in equilibrium.
Hmm.
When I cut this,
Hmm.
then two mass will get dropped.
Hmm.
That means this restoring force will try to bring it back, na?
Hmm.
So SHM होना चाहिए.
Answers that only.
हो
Undergo
गया.
SHM.
बता देता हूँ कैसे. वो लोग ने wrong बोला है. Vertical section is not long. Vertical section is, or they should have been, the string is cut. ऐसे.
Okay.
So when the weight is suspended here, then tension is acting here.
Hmm.
In this case also tension is acting here.
Yeah.
If I cut this, that means this force, which was tension here, will try to bring it back.
Yeah.
But due to inertia, जैसे ये आगे जाएगा तो restoring force वापस लाएगा इसको पीछे. So it will keep on moving periodically.
Okay.
Only that long wala word is wrong.
Then next is two simple harmonic motions are given by x1 is a sine omega t plus a cos omega t and x2 is a sine omega t plus a by root 3 cos omega t.
Sin omega t plus
A by root 3 cos omega t. The ratio of amplitudes of first and second motion and the phase difference between them.
ratio of, okay. Now this is sin omega t, this is cos omega t. What is difference? 90 degree.
90 degree.
So resultant amplitude will be root 2a. Here what is phase difference? Still 90.
90 degree.
But resultant will be now Pythagoras theorem. A square plus a square upon 3. So root 2a, 3a square plus 4a, 3a square plus a square is 4a square, which is 2a upon 3.
2a upon root 3.
Root 3 upon root 2 is the answer.
Root 3 upon root 2. Yes.
So this is ratio of amplitude.
Yeah.
Now initial phases ka difference they want. So first use tan delta 1 wala formula for this.
So what is delta 1 in that? I'll take 0 and 90.
0 and 90.
Okay.
So still shortcut I can tell you. Phase difference. This amplitude is A, this is A. So this will be AA, this is root 2A. So phase difference will be 45.
I didn't understand.
A1 is the basic simple one. A1 is A, A2 is A, delta 1 0, delta 2 9. Then you find 10 delta dash for first one.
Yeah.
And same way second one. Next. I can convert this formula A sin omega t plus A cos omega t as a sin omega t plus something. If I divide this by root 2a, divide this also by root 2a and take root 2a common, then a will get cancelled or multiply and divide by root 2 and do it. What is 1 upon root 2?
45 degree, pi by 4.
So root a common 1 upon root 2 is 45 degree.
Mm.
Root 2 a onto it. And inside then I will get 1 upon root 2, correct?
Mm.
So this cos 45 sin omega t plus sin 45 cos omega. So this is root 2a sin of omega t plus 45.
Mm.
So what is the initial phase of first one का resultant? 45.
Mm.
And amplitude is root 2a.
Mm.
First part clear?
Yes, sir.
See, इतना easy नहीं है ये. जिसने maths किया उसके लिए easy है. So what I thought,
Mm-hmm.
what I should do here so that I can convert this as cos and this as sin and this as cos. So that sin
Okay.
A cos B plus cos A sin B, I can write sin omega t plus theta.
Mm-hmm.
So because I knew कि ये 1 root 2 होता है ना ऐसा,
Mm-hmm.
so I rearrange in that format.
Okay.
But if
So
you are
if I
not
do it by the
understanding,
first
then you take
method,
delta 1 delta 2 method.
after finding delta 1, delta 2, then what I'll subtract it?
But in exam that step will take at least 10 minutes. No?
Yeah.
To compare delta 1, get A1, delta 2, A2, first वाले का delta 1 मिला.
Mm-hmm. Then
Then
second.
second वाले का करेंगे, फिर difference करेंगे. तो बहुत time लगेगा.
Mm.
इसमें क्या हो गया? I got amplitude also, I got phase also directly.
Mm.
मतलब ये पूरा this is composition of 2 SHM. I got what is R, I got what is delta.
And same we'll do for next one, no?
But next one is not that easy, no? What is next one given?
Oh, a sin omega t plus a upon root 3 cos omega t.
Okay. अभी थोड़ा सा cos omega t ना.
Hmm.
So I want this as cos, this as sin, so that I can write sin of root 3 it is or 3?
Root 3.
Root 3. Now just think, I'm telling you shortcut method how we can do. This I want sin, correct?
Hmm.
This I want cos, correct?
Hmm.
What is sin of any angle?
So
Sin of any angle.
opposite upon hypotenuse.
So this is 1 upon root 3.
Hmm.
What will become this?
2.
By Pythagoras theorem. Orally you can say na, root 3 square is root 3 square is 3 minus
3
1 so
minus 1 2.
2 nahi root 2.
Root 2.
So that means for adjusting here you require cos of this some angle. You can give any name. I am writing here phi. What is cos?
Root 2 upon root 3.
Root 2 upon root 3 into sin omega. This will be 1 by root 3 na? Into
Cos omega t.
no, that will be sin b want here opposite upon 1 upon root 3 cos omega t. So x2 a you can multiply and take common. Root 2 you have multiplied here also I should take 2 then. A upon root 3, root 3 upon 2 if I do. Root 3 upon 2 then upon root 3 if I take root 3 common then this will be sin root 3 plus root 3 if we are taken common. So root 3 took common. Okay. See, this root 3 I am taking common, okay? A common, root 3 common. So first term we got sin omega t into root 3 ना
into root 2.
ऐसा फर्स्ट टाइम में कुछ नहीं है ना तो रूट 3 आएगा ना रूट 3 बाहर दिया फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर टेलिंग इट इज I sin omega t A sin omega t ना so if you took root 3 common then you multiply
it by root 2 upon root 3 na.
which root 2 root 3 first listen first this is root 3 in the denominator you took outside so here also root 3 will come na
Okay.
and this will become cos omega t this much clear
Yeah.
now one step more take 2 here take 2 here खत्म काम because क्योंकि समझा अभी क्या किया मैंने now this quantity has got sin cos tan में कुछ तो आंसर है इसका you want cos huh cos of which angle is root 3 by t
30.
and sin of which angle is half
30.
हो गया so this is our resultant 2a upon root 3 amplitude and phase angle is omega t plus 30 तो रिजल्टेंट एम्पलीट्यूड आ गया रेशियो में और पहले वाले का फेज कितना था
45.
इसका 15 डिग्री इज द फेज आंसर इज देयर 15 डिग्री
pi by 12 no.
15 is 180 pi upon 180 is pi by 12 बराबर देखो ये फर्स्ट टाइम में टफ लग रहा है अदरवाइज इट इज सिंपल दिस यू हैव टू रीअरेंज ऑलवेज एज 30 45 60 90
Okay.
so from root 3 taking common I got idea ये root 3 तो 2 से डिवाइड करो 2 से डिवाइड करो तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई भी करो so I got resultant amplitude
So when we did that triangle method that time we multiplied sin omega t by root 3 upon root 2, correct?
but we don't have that value no sin root 3 by root 2
Yeah.
that's why we
Here you just took root 3 common. Acha. Okay, got it.
can I clear this
Yes, sir.
okay write down Taras right
So I'm not understanding the part where you took root 3 common and then you put 2, that part.
tell the equation first what is equation
A sin omega t
tell second equation
plus A upon root 3 cos omega t.
whenever it is sin cos that means it is composition of two SH so to arrange in the form of sin of omega t plus or minus pi I am taking first this outside this is so simple root 3 I have taken from now root 3 में sin का वैल्यू नहीं आता because it is तो इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 किया इसको भी डिवाइड बाय 2 किया तो बाद 2 लिखना पड़ेगा अब ये root 3 by 2 is what
30. हाँ, got it. Cos 30.
we can write sin 60 also but we won't write because we want sin a cos b plus cos a sin
Understood.
makes sense this was difficult Sama but this method which I explained if you understand that then it is the fastest way to complete
Then two simple harmonic motions are represented by y1 equals 0.1 sine bracket 100 pi t plus pi by 3 and y2 is 0.1 cos pi t.
only this much
Yeah, the phase difference of velocity of particle 1 with respect to velocity.
first you find phase difference of velocity they want with respect to time.
of 1 with respect to 2.
This is pi t or 100 pi t?
Mm, cos pi t.
No, there is error. Make it 100 pi t. This one cos pi t, 100 pi t.
So it's pi into t.
No, that is mistake. 100 pi t
Acha.
make it. 100 pi t make it. 100 pi t. Because generally, na, this angle, if it is not same, you cannot predict. Time period is the same.
Mm.
So phase difference between velocity they want.
Mm.
See, whatever you get displacement, the phase difference,
Mm.
उसमें 90 कर देंगे ना, तो velocity का आ जाएगा.
Okay.
Right now, what is difference?
Pi by 3. 90
Both,
plus pi by 3.
90 plus pi by 3. What is 90 plus pi by 3?
90 is pi by 2 plus pi by 3. That is 3 plus 5, pi by 6.
First, never go by this method. Pi by 3 you should know it degree. तो fast होता है. Pi by 3 is how many degree?
Pi by 3 60 degree.
So 60 and 90 कितना हो जाएगा?
150.
150. अभी अगर रेडियन में दिया रहेगा तो you should convert.
Hmm.
They have given it radian or in degree?
Oh, radian.
Radian. 2 pi by 3 is there anywhere?
No. Answer is minus pi by 6.
Pi by 6 is what? Tell me degree, huh? Degree.
Pi by 6 is 30 degree.
Pi by 6 is 30 degree. So this is 60 and 90 का difference कितना होगा? 30 ना? तो इसका वैसा क्या? 60 minus 90 है. Because sin theta plus this will be 60 plus 90 or 60 minus 90. दो option है.
Minus only.
Sin of cos theta, we can write sin of 90 plus or minus theta.
Here will be 90, like 90 minus theta.
No, first you see. Cos theta, I can write sin 90 plus or minus theta. What is sin 90 plus theta?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Plus में और क्या minus में?
90 minus plus only.
Why?
No, why minus.
Plus. Because 90 plus theta is in second quadrant. Second quadrant में sign is positive. This is the formula ना? All silver tea cup. So 90 plus theta इसमें आएगा ना? इसमें तो साइन पॉजिटिव है ना, प्लस आएगा, बराबर? But if I write 90 minus theta तो भी चलेगा ना? तो because it is velocity का पूछा है, तो velocity x जब भी 0 होता है तो velocity plus 90 पे है ना?
Correct.
तो इसका plus 90 pi by 3 plus 90 करता हूँ तो कितना होएगा?
Pi by 3 plus 90 150.
और इतना टेंशन मत लो, आप नहीं जम रहा है. y is given how much? 0.1 ना?
हाँ.
sin
cos pi t.
इधर cos pi t है, पहला वाला तो sin है.
अच्छा 90 plus.
वेलोसिटी तो 90 प्लस दिया है. ये y1 कितना दिया है? 0.1.
एक मिनट. sin 100 pi t plus pi by 3.
Okay, so from here what will be velocity? इसका derivative. Derivative of sin is cos. This will be its derivative.
Yeah.
Because we want cos का phase difference, velocity का phase difference.
Hmm.
ये हो गया पहला वाला.
Hmm.
Second one, what is y2?
0.1 cos pi t. They have given so cos 100 pi t we took.
So this will be 0.1 minus of sine
Hmm.
100 by 2.
Into 100 pi.
So v2 equals to minus of 0.1 into 100 into sine 100 by 2. Barabar? Now if I write this as v2 equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is 100 by 2. So when you interchange, then it will become cos of minus pi minus theta sine theta is cos of 90 minus theta. So when I
Hmm.
interchange, minus will come outside.
Hmm.
So it will become 0.15 into cos of 100 pi t minus 90.
Hmm. Hmm.
So ये pi by 3 और ये minus 90.
Hmm.
So 90, therefore it became minus that one. So I think this is 60 degree
Hmm.
and I think this is 90 degree.
Hmm.
So cos of 90 plus theta, if I write, then it will remain same with minus sign and ये अंदर वही आएगा ना cos of 100 plus theta.
हाँ.
So it 30 अभी दोनों cos कर दिया मैंने
Hmm. Hmm.
just to avoid confusion. तो ये
Hmm.
100 ये वाला cos है.
Hmm. Understood.
So angle का difference is 100 pi t plus pi by 3 minus of 100 pi t minus pi by 2. ये cancel हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
So this is 30 degree, 60 degree minus 90 degree, which is minus 30.
Hmm.
So therefore that answer is minus of 5 by 6.
Hmm. Understood.
See, this is not difficult, but those who have taken maths, they do trigonometry. Na?
Hmm.
For them, it will be easy. For you all, slightly difficult.
Okay.
So if velocity asks, take derivative, you'll get velocity. फिर उसका difference लियो.
Hmm.
Next one.
Next one. A coin is placed on a horizontal platform which undergoes vertical SHM of angular frequency omega. The amplitude of oscillation is
Where it
gradually
is.
increased. Then the coin will leave contact with the platform for the first time at what amplitude?
For coin to leave
They've given like
contact,
4 conditions.
get mg should be n omega square a.
Hmm.
Therefore, omega should be root of g by a. इसमें है क्या option?
Yeah, amplitude is g by omega square. Yeah, that only.
Okay. Because that means this is mg is pulling it, and when it is moving upward, it will get reaction in upward direction, centrifugal.
Hmm.
So maximum amplitude पे it will be removed.
Hmm. That
I don't.
g by omega square. No?
Correct. G
Hmm.
by.
Okay. So 1 second, I'll write it.
Yeah. So whenever it is problem of vertical oscillation leaving the contact, weight should be maximum force.
Hmm.
And maximum force is m omega square a.
Done so. Then a particle performs simple harmonic motion with amplitude A. Its speed is trebled at the instant that it is at distance 2a by 3 from equilibrium position. What is the new amplitude?
What is this one?
Speed is trebled when It reaches 2a by 3. So then what is the new amplitude?
Original, when amplitude is A, only this much, or question is still further?
No, that's it.
So first I'm finding what is V ka formula? Omega root of A square.
A square minus x square.
This is tripled.
Hmm.
Then amplitude is suppose A dash square.
Hmm.
And x is how much? 2a by 3.
Hmm.
2a by 3 means how much? Squaring.
4a square by 9.
2a square by 3. No, 9.
हाँ 4a square sir. I've written 2a square.
First amplitude is A, velocity is V. Then they are saying velocity is tripled.
Hmm.
At which point?
When particle reaches 2a by 3 from main position.
Velocity is tripled and particle reaches 2a by 3.
Hmm.
No, read again properly.
A particle performs simple harmonic motion with amplitude A.
Wait. Particle performs simple harmonic motion with amplitude A. First point is this.
Its speed is, they have written TREBLED, that's triple motion. At the instant that it is at distance 2a by 3 from equilibrium position.
Its speed is tripled
Hmm.
at distance 2a by 3.
2a by 3 from equilibrium position. The new amplitude of motion is what?
Amplitude of motion is अच्छा ठीक है समझ गया. See, first velocity is v is omega root of a square minus first x is 2a by 3.
Hmm.
Then this velocity becomes tripled when amplitude becomes this much. है ना?
Hmm.
मतलब ओरिजिनल एम्पलीट्यूड a, न्यू एम्पलीट्यूड a डैश, वही जगह पे जो वेलोसिटी v आ रहा था ना उधर ट्रिपल हो गया बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, so x will take same in both cases.
हाँ x is same.
Hmm.
x is not same. एक 2a a वाला एम्पलीट्यूड वाला x है, दूसरा a डैश वाला.
Oh, okay, okay.
So now when I divide this, I get 1 upon 3 equals to root of all this. Huh?
Hmm.
Now squaring 1 by 9 will become a square minus 4a square by 9. Directly right? 5a square by 9.
Hmm.
ये वाला भी कितना होगा ये? 5a dash square upon
Same
9.
only, no?
So 5 by 9 cancel.
Hmm.
So a dash is 9 times a square.
Hmm. So a dash will be 3a, no?
हाँ.
Okay.
Square. Answer क्या है?
A minute. They have given answer 7a by 3.
7 by 3.
Hmm.
In calculation I did for mistake. 3a square. This will be 3a square. No.
9a square minus 4. 5a square by 9. Correct.
5a square by 9 लेकिन रूट हाँ तो स्क्वायर किया बराबर. 5a square upon 9. So खाली क्या कम्युनिकेशन गैप हो रहा है अपना
Hmm.
इसकी ऐसा हो रहा है फिर से एक बार लिख करो मैं लिखता हूँ स्लोली once again read
A particle performs simple harmonic motion with amplitude A. Its speed is tripled at the instant that it is at distance 2a by 3 from equilibrium position. What the new amplitude of motion is.
speed is tripled when it is at distance of 2a by 3 then amplitude will be how much so first case the speed is root of a square minus 2a by 3 a by 3 a square by 9 speed at distance this distance gets tripled so speed becomes tripled means it will become qb omega root of a square minus 2a square by minus 1 by this square by 9 into a square minus 4 a square हो गया आगे see first velocity the formula at any point is omega root of a square minus a square
Hmm.
so velocity is v this is a square minus a square by 4a square by 9
Hmm.
so omega root of 5 is square by 9 so v square equals to omega square 5 is square by 9 first piece. Then at same distance 2a by 3 velocity is tripled
Hmm.
so 3v equals to omega a dash square this is 4a square by 9 9v square equals to omega square a dash minus 4a square upon 9 let this be equation 2 now when you divide you'll get 1 upon 9 equals to 5a square upon 9 divided by a dash minus 4 a square by 9 ये 9 9 cancel होएगा
Hmm.
then cross multiply 9 5 are 45 a square equals to 9 a dash minus 4a square so 49 a square equals to 9 a dash 7 by 3 is the answer
Yeah, 7 by 3.
so 49 का square root 7 9 का 3
Okay.
7 by 3 a is a dash means they're telling same distance huh?
Hmm. Hmm.
For new amplitude distance is same velocity gets tripled
Hmm.
so now logic if you've understood you can manage
Yes, sir. I
means
was copying.
first case
Hmm.
amplitude is a distance is 2a by 3
Hmm. Hmm.
second case some new amplitude so at same point velocity is triple
Hmm. Understood.
uh-huh.
Done, sir.
So that's all for today.
Only one sum is remaining.
Okay, say.
Uh, the equation of simple harmonic wave is given by y equals 3 sine pi by 2 bracket 50t minus x, where x and y are in meters, t is in seconds, the ratio of maximum particle velocity to wave velocity.
Again, this is from chapter called wave motion.
Okay.
I will just explain what is wave velocity, anytime, and lambda.
Okay.
This is fixed for any wave.
Hmm.
And maximum velocity of oscillating particle is a
A
omega.
omega.
What ratio they want? Particle to wave or wave to particle?
Particle to wave.
So particle to wave will be a omega upon n lambda.
Hmm.
Omega is 2 pi n.
Hmm.
N gets cancelled.
Hmm.
2 pi by lambda is k.
Hmm.
So ak is our ratio.
Hmm.
A means ca, sin का coefficient.
Hmm.
K मतलब x का coefficient.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Okay. Okay, understood.
This is actually from wave motion. They have by mistake it got filtered.
Okay.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
So all MCQs you have done from RMS. Only this was doubt.
No, these were around 60. I have a lot left. I'm doing.
How many are there total?
I'll have to add everything up.
So complete. No, chalega. Wednesday again we'll be having class, but please complete full.
Okay, sir.
Oscillation complete full and circular ka paper.
Hmm.
So no need to rush. Whatever you are doing, that should be first clear.
Yes, sir.
And then so gravitation I will be doing by this weekend.
Hmm.
So our next week target will be then gravitation ka doubt solving and new chapter Newton's law of motion.
Okay, sir.
ठीक.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.